This is the OX Professional 112 by 380mm hardwood concrete float. Its application is for concrete smoothing and finishing, and it has a soft touch OXgrip high lift D-handle design. This gives ultimate strength when you're putting maximum pressure through a smoothing stroke across the surface of the concrete. The high quality hardwood blade gives durability and is made from ethical and sustainably sourced timber. The D-handle is attached using special timber screws to prevent backing out during use. The whole trowel is covered by the 12-month OX warranty. That is the professional hardwood concrete float.